Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google search. And in this video, I will show you how to find free clip art in Google search without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, we want to open up our Chrome browser, then come to the search right here. Let's say for instance, we are looking for elephant clip art. So what we want to do is to go ahead and type in elephant. It can be anything clip art. Let's say just type in elephant, hit enter, and it's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and make sure we navigate to images right here. So under the images right here, we have to make sure we navigate to clip art right here. So just like what you see right here, go ahead and click on clip art. Now you're going to have all results right here in clip art. Now one great thing here is that you can also refine the search results based on free royalty clip art. The more you scroll down right here, the more you see different clip art right here that you can also check on any one of them right here and go ahead and straight up to download. Then here, so for you to filter based on free one, what you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on tool right here. Under the tool, then go ahead and click on usage rights. Then under the usage rights, go ahead and click on Creative Commons license. Then you have all free right here. So anyone you download from here are free to use for any project. It's that simple. So this is how to simply get free clip art in Google search. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.